Hi everyone, I am Ankita Majumdar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you Class 7th Social Science Geography Chapter 2nd Inside Our Earth. Topic 2nd Rocks and Minerals. Rocks and minerals means the Earth's crust is made up of various types of rocks. Any natural mass of mineral matters that make up the Earth crust is called a rock. Rocks can be of different colors, size, and texture. Understood? Next is definition of rocks. Rocks may simply be defined as all those material which form the crust of the earth, whether hard like granite or soft like clay, gravel or sandstone. This definition you have to by heart. Okay. Can you imagine lava coming out from the volcanoes? Lava is actually fiery red molten magma coming out from the interior of the earth on its surface. Rocks are generally categorized into three major types. First is igneous rock, second sedimentary rocks, and third metamorphic rocks. Let's start with igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are formed when the molten magma cools and becomes solid. Igneous rocks are known as parent rocks or primary rocks, as well as all other rocks are derived from the igneous rocks. There are two major types of igneous rocks. First, A is extrusive rocks, B is intrusive rocks. So let's understand the meaning of extrusive igneous rock. When molten lava comes on the earth's surface, it rapidly cools down and becomes solid. Rocks formed in such a way on the crust are called extrusive igneous rock. They have a very fine grained structure. For example, basalt, the Deccan Plateau, is made up of basalt rocks. Second is intrusive igneous rocks. When the molten magma cools down deep inside the Earth's crust, solid rocks are formed, and they are called intrusive igneous rocks. Granite is an example of such a rock. Next is second number, sedimentary rocks. Rocks roll down, crack, and hit each other and are broken down into small fragments. These smaller particles are called sediments. These sediments are transported and deposited by wind, water, etc. These loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form layer of rocks. Their types of rocks are called sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks may also contain fossils of plants, animals, and other microorganisms that once lived on them. Sandstone and chalk are the examples of sedimentary rocks. It is calculated that about 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with sedimentary rocks. Next is Metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks can change into metamorphic rocks under great heat and pressure. Clay changes into slate and limestones into marble are the example of metamorphic rocks. Rocks are very useful to us. The hard rocks are used for making roads, houses, and buildings. We use stones in many games. For example, 7 stones, 5 stones, etc. Next topic is rock cycle. You have already learned that one type of rock changes to another type under certain condition in cyclic manner. This process of transformation of the rock from one to another is commonly known as the rock cycle. In a rock cycle, first of all, igneous rocks are formed as result of solidification of magma. Then these igneous rocks are broken down into small pieces that are transported and deposited to form sedimentary rocks. Those igneous and sedimentary rocks are transported into metamorphic rock under the influence of high temperature and pressure. The metamorphic rocks, which are still under great heat and pressure, melt down to form molten magma. This molten magma again can cool down and solidify into igneous rocks. Now next is minerals. Rocks are made up of different minerals found mostly in a solid state. Minerals are naturally occurring substances which have certain physical properties and definite chemical composition. The basic source of all minerals is the hot magma in the interior of the earth. When magma cools, crystals of minerals appears. Minerals are very important to humankind. Some minerals are used as fuels, for example, coal, natural gas, and petroleum. Minerals are also used in industries like iron, aluminium, gold, uranium, etc. They are also used in medicine and fertilizers, etc. Understood, students, the meaning of minerals? So here we have completed our chapter 2 inside our earth. So your homework will be, you have to write exercise. The exercise you have to write glossary, answer the following, tick the correct answer, match the following, give reason. Additional questions also I have given you, and diagrams also you have to make it. Understood? Write in a very good handwriting, complete your notes and make the diagram in that white side with pencil. I will send you the PDF so that you can see more clearly. Okay? Write it in a very good handwriting. That's all for today's topic. Next chapter I will explain in my next video. Till then, bye. Keep learning. Thank you.